Yo, what the deal? It's your boy X.E.L.O. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for coming back. And those who haven't been back here, this is your first time, definitely like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, let y'all know when I drop a new video. So today I'm actually going to be working in Cakewalk, kind of going through a beat. I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to make yet, but we'll see what kind of happens. Alright, so let's kind of get started. It's kind of how my basic setup starts out. I usually just have my drum, compressor, reverb, and delay set up. So let's try to start a track. I'm going to hit D to take away the dashboard, or the docking station, I should say. You can add instruments by right-clicking and hit an instrument. You can go up to the plus sign and do an instrument. You can go over here to this little piano. You probably can't see it. Hold on. I'm gonna go over here to this little piano over here in this corner, and you hit on this, and this brings up all your instruments. So I'm actually wanting to do, let's find a loop. Maybe kind of mess with here. I'm just gonna do a drum loop. All right. All right, so let's see here. So I think I have one on auto clip. Let's see, is that thing? No. All right, properties, groove clip. No. I'm gonna do a Control B and bounce it to clip. All right, so that way I can kind of stretch this out like so. So you got to hold Control and then Shift, and it'll give you that option to stretch the actual track out. All right. So I'm actually going to bounce the clip again. So this time it'll actually keep its integrity. So I use Control B as my shortcut. If you actually want to do it the regular way, you right click on it and it gives you an option that says bounce to clips. I actually set this up in my preferences to do it as Control B to be my shortcut for it, so that I don't have to keep going in here to do that. Let's pull some instruments here. Let's go with the Cakewalk. Let's see what that's. I'm going to split this into an instrument track. That way I can actually have a MIDI. So I'm going to go to the MIDI here, and I'm actually going to go on this arpeggiator here, and I'm going to find something to play. I'm going to go to rhythms, keyboard. Let's go to road chords. Let's try this one. I actually have my count in, so if you hit on this metronome settings, I have my count in at 1, my pre-recorded count in. So it'll start after that 1. All right. So now that I actually recorded, I can actually have it to where the MIDI will actually bounce to the clip. I'm gonna hit Control and then B, and boom, I actually have the notes of that arpeggiator. Yeah, it seems like it's taking a little time for it to come up. Come on, you can do it. Oh, it's already there. I'm sorry, I'm tripping. All right, so let's find some sounds here. Let's try soft pad. All right, so first off, let's go into the piano roll here. Let's see what's going on with this. I'm gonna hit Shift D to actually pull up the full screen so I can kind of see what's going on with it. Let's see. A couple of keys are off. So I'm gonna right click and highlight the whole thing and drag. You can also do this by going down the keyboard, highlight everything that's in that key. I'm gonna hit Q on the keyboard. It's gonna bring up my quantized little screen here. I'm gonna try to audition it at 16. Alright, let's try 1/8. I like that better. Alright, so now we need to find a sound that we can work with. Let's bring up something else here. Let's insert an instrument. Let's do vacuum. And there you have it. All right, so let's find something nice from this. Let's do some harps. I'm actually going to insert my Satilla pack. I have the X.E.L Satilla kit that I made, so I'm going to add that on here as well. So basically what this does is actually pull from my kit. So I just like to see the waves of it. I already have my MIDI right here on the first one, so I'll use the MIDI from there to actually set everything up. I'm actually going to send it to the step sequencer, so that way I can kind of manipulate it from there. Alright, so what are we working with? About 16. Fill every 2 steps. So now all the volumes are up on there, and I'm gonna actually just change a couple of these in here. Probably gonna change out this hi-hat sound now. All right. Let's go in here. All right, so I'm gonna look for a nice 808 in here. Let's go to kicks and sub. Goodness gracious. Of course, I messed up the most important part of all of this, is to make sure the 808 is in tuned, which I did not do. I'm going to use this plugin called G-Tune. It's actually a free plugin as well. I'm going to kind of pin it to the board to kind of see where, of course, it is not on the correct key. So let's kind of fix that real quick. All right, so mostly it's C right there. And let's see how it sounds. Man, that's pretty much it, man. I may probably use a different bass, maybe a different key on there as well, a little melody on the top, but I'm gonna actually stop it here because I'm just running the time up on here. All right, so once again, thank you for joining me on this expedition of Cakewalk. But yeah, once again, this is X.E.L. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, let y'all know when I drop another video. Peace.